Hi there everyone. Today I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what's been happening in the Eastside real estate market based on the data that we have from January, as well as some anecdotal data of what we're seeing in the first few weeks of February. Well, I hate to say it, but low inventory, multiple offers, and selling way above list price continues to be the story of the year. In January, 50% of closed sales, and that's residential only on the East Side, closed above list price, indicating multiple offers. Sellers are getting an enormous amount of attention on their listings. In some cases, perhaps too much. We are actually having to do a little bit of, I call it damage control. We are seeing within a matter of days anywhere between 50 to 150 showings on any new listing, which is just a level of activity that we've not seen before and does certainly have some implications. We are seeing homes sell or go under contract for hundreds, 100, 200, $300,000 in some instances above list price, which is absolutely phenomenal. And just to be honest, raises some concerns. I think appraisals are going to be an issue for many buyers. Appraising a property at the moment is about one of the hardest things anybody can do, simply because there is no data to compare it to. There's no other comps out there. So I think we are going to start to see a big delta between the purchase price of a house on a contract and what the appraisal comes in at. In some cases, those buyers are going to have to bring hundreds of thousands of dollars to the table to successfully close. So if they don't have those cash reserves in place, then we may well see houses come back on the market. So I am expecting that to become a bit of an issue, and that's obviously going to have an impact on affordability as well. I wish we had a crystal ball. We all gaze into various sources to see what's going to happen in the future, and I think we're all asking this question more than we ever have done for this year. Unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball, but what I can tell you is that many, including Matthew Gardner, our Windermere chief economist, believes that as we move through the first half of this year, we probably will see a slight uptick in inventory. It's not going to be massive. But I think even a little bit more compared to when you are on a complete famine is going to feel like a veritable feast. Personally, I think buyers are going to pull back in both in 2017 and 2018 when we saw the market be this crazy. Suddenly overnight between about March and April, the market changed, and I think a lot of that is just down to buyers refusing to continue to compete at this crazy level. And perhaps not seeing the value of overpaying for a home to the degrees that they're having to in order to go under contract. So as a result, I suspect that we may see a return to slightly more calmer market conditions. Hopefully inventory will rise just a little bit. It's certainly not going to go crazy. But even if it gets to above 1 month's supply, then that will be a godsend, to be honest. And I think we might see a return to homes staying on the market for perhaps a little bit longer. And by that, I mean somewhere between 10 and 20 days versus at the moment when they're all going under contract anywhere between 0 and 5 days. We are at the moment seeing sellers accept early offers, just because why wouldn't they when they've got a super strong offer with zero contingencies and a buyer that's willing to pay hundreds of thousands above list price and is waiving their appraisal clause. Then to be honest, it's a very hard thing to turn down. So watch this space. I obviously don't know what's going to happen in real estate. I don't know how long this market is going to go on for, but what I can tell you is that every market conditions in real estate do change. Nothing is forever. And whilst I can't predict the future, we can continue to look at the data and see what's happening around us on a daily basis to inform our strategies of both working with our buyers and our sellers. So I hope this is helpful. As ever, if you want more information on your particular market area, or if you'd like a no obligation valuation of your home, or simply if you're a buyer and looking to start your search and not too sure whether now's a good time or not, then please feel free to reach out. I am here to help. All right, take care. I look forward to hearing from you.